Bro, I have like 5 videos lined up to be posted today. And YouTube, as usual, is being a bit problematic with the copyright. So, yeah, I'm not too sure how quickly I can have that resolved, but I'll see what goes where here and there. But at the very least, I should have at least about 3 things released today. My reaction to Chainsaw Man episode 6 and 7 will be out today, and then this one, yeah, that's 3. Yeah, that should be fine. But without further ado, let's react to Chainsaw Man ending 7. Let's go. Alright, let's see where this goes. Hey, that looks a bit retro. I like that. Ah, it's this girl. Wait, did this make this in the style of a game? Dude, this is sick. They're really creative with these. Bruh. These are all so artistic in their own way, bro. I love these endings. Okay, so this ending's a part of eye candy, I guess. What the fuck? What is this? Okay. What the fuck? Why is it still happening? What is that in between their mouths? You know what? I don't even know what to expect from this goddamn anime anymore. I've just learned to accept things. This is what it is.
Nate Goyard.